Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. So this time in this video I will give some tutorial for Makecode microbit.org. So first open makecode.microbit and click new project. I still don't know what I have to make, so I just give the project name tutorial and create. Okay, just wait for the loading and yeah. Okay, so on start, we'll go to the basic and want to show icon, show icon happy. Okay, and then after that, one, two, in input codes, I will drag on button A press. I will change show icon to silly face and on button I will duplicate and on button B I will show icon fruits and on button A plus B want to show icon meh. Oh, I know. The name is annoying face. Okay. And after that, in input again, on logo press, I will show icon mm, surprise and on check, I will show icon like this. Okay, forever I will remove the forever codes and will give some music, not music, see just some melody and play it down maybe. Oh no, want to give this play giggle until done for me and then duplicate it and give on button A. Want to give maybe this I will give happy and after this I want to give it Spring check. I will give it round or maybe set, and this I don't know, just random lah. Yeah, like this. Okay, let's try. So this is on start. It will show icon happy face and play happy until done. And if you shake, it will be like this. And if you click AB, it'll be like this. If you click D, the it will show icon surprise and play twinkle and on button A. Yeah, it's a nine face and on logo press surprise and play sorry until just like that. Okay, maybe that's all for my tutorial. I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.